Solar panels up. It did not go as smooth as I thought, but it is done, and they're all fairly straight. Anything or anybody that knows anything about racking understands what I mean, but I don't know. Still a little bit tiny crooked. Well, most 99% of the people in the world would never know, but I know. And it's still good though. And we are that much closer to having power. So, pretty excited about that. I'm sick of spending money on gas for that generator. But hopefully this weekend we'll be able to get power hooked up. Keep you posted.